Before this video begins, I want to just mention, make sure to stick around to the end because I have a special surprise for you guys. On to the video. Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Joseph from Screenbite, and today we're going to be taking a look at what's in my day bag. I very recently decided that I wanted to start carrying a backpack around because as you guys know, I've been trying to get more and more mobile, be able to do my YouTube channel out and about instead of being stuck in my studio. So I grabbed one of my old backpacks. It's nothing special. The brand's High Sierra, I believe, and I got it a few years ago on Amazon for like 40 or 50 bucks in order to have a bag for packs. But turns out it actually works really, really well for carrying all the stuff that I would want to carry on a day-to-day basis. Now this thing is modular to the point to where it is also a camera bag if I want it to be, but it wasn't designed to be a camera bag, so I'll explain that a little bit later. But I don't always carry my camera gear, so that's why it's good that it's modular. But let's get started. We'll work our way to the back, starting with the front pocket. Now there's a few on the front, but we have this one right here, way up in the front. And in here is where I keep a lot of my cables and my portable charger. So my portable charger of choice right now, get that out of there, is this Tolo 20,000 milliamp hour battery. I picked it up on Amazon a few years ago as well when I got this bag. It was like 17 bucks because they were having a pretty crazy deal with it. It's really, really fun to feel, which is weird to say about a battery, but it's like super rubberized and just, oh, I like it. And it's 20,000 milliamp hours. This will charge up to 2 USB devices, and it'll charge my phone, even my iPad, to full charge my phone multiple times. Definitely don't want to leave home without this. This is awesome. Also in the front pocket, I have my Apple Pencil. I actually just picked this up, so I haven't messed around with it too much, but this has come in a lot of handy with my experiment that I'll be talking about in the future. But this is really cool. Also in here, I have my iPad adapters. This is the USB camera one that I was talking about in the previous iPad LumaVision video. I'll put that there for you guys to check it out. And I just carry it around with me because you never know. I also have picked up the SD card reader. That way I don't have to have that one plugged in. This is hugely useful for getting stuff off my camera and onto my iPad. See what else we got in here. Yes, the cables. So I have this cable, which is still in its bag because I haven't actually got a chance to test it yet, but if it works, this will allow me to use my Rode NTG4 Plus for voiceover work directly on my iPad. So keep a lookout for that video in the near future if you want to check it out. I also have an assortment of cables here. This is the USB cable for my USB keyboard for my iPad. I'm not really sure how often I need to charge it because it has crazy good battery life, but it's there if I need it. I can plug it into the battery bank. I also have another USB type, well, micro USB, mini USB cable, one of the two, the smaller one. I definitely have another one of these. This is for my portable speaker, as well as it will charge up my battery bank. That's not necessarily a mobile thing, but I keep it on me just in case, because you never know. And this is another one of the same cable as the yellow one. I just never took it out of my bag. Well, it's good I'm taking it out now. All right, let's see what else we got here. In this front little pocket that's inside here, I have 2 more cables, and that is a USB Type-C cable for my Nintendo Switch and a lightning cable to charge all my Apple products. I'll put that back in there because that took forever to get rolled up properly. All right, so the next pocket up is this one right here. And this is where I hold my Nintendo Switch. Now, I don't have a whole lot of games for it right now, but there are times when I just want to have a little bit of a gaming session. Maybe when I'm out on like a little camping trip or something, it's good to carry with me. Definitely love the Nintendo Switch. It's a really, really awesome device and super portable. I love this thing. Not really much more you can say about that. And that does it for this pocket. This is also another pocket that's a little bit portable. because if I'm not carrying my camera gear, I'm able to fit this in here as well. Right now I have it in this little side pocket. And that is my portable speaker. This is the Ultimate Ears Wonder Boom. I picked it up actually a few weeks ago for the wedding shower that we were holding for me and Gabrielle. This is a really, really nice speaker. It's super small and compact. It is super crazy loud, and it's actually dust and waterproof. I haven't tested that yet, but if I do a review on it, I definitely will. This is really, really nice. Moving along here, we have this pocket, but I'll get to this in just a second. First, I have this little super cool little pocket up top, and this is one of my favorite features of this bag. And that's where I keep stuff like my keys, my wallet, because I don't like carrying stuff in my pockets anymore because of the bulge, and my AirPods. And any other valuable stuff I want to carry in there that I want close to me. So, moving on to the fun stuff with this bag, and that is this pocket here. So this is my modular pocket, where if I want to carry my camera gear, I can, and if I don't want to carry my camera gear, I can put other stuff in there, like snacks, stuff like that. Come to think of it, I could probably still carry snacks. We'll get to that in a second. So, this is really cool because I found a way to not have to buy a camera bag and just use a regular backpack, and that is with this. This was actually the camera bag that I picked up. I'm gonna lie this now because this is about to fall over. This was the camera bag that I actually picked up originally with my GH5, and this is it's from Vivitar. And as you can see, it's actually very small. And I would carry this everywhere when I wanted to carry my camera gear. But now that I want to carry a day bag, it actually fits perfectly inside this bag. And it's super padded, so I don't have to worry about anything rattling around and breaking. And I can carry a lot of stuff in here. So inside here, there's not much in it right now because, of course, I have the camera off the tripod. But I have a few lenses that I want to use. So my 2 Voigtlanders as well as the 25mm, so I can swap between my 3 main focal ranges. For some reason, there's a nickel in here. I guess I'm rich now. I also have my Helios lens. This thing is awesome. And in this little top pocket, I have my Power XND 2000 variable ND filter. Really, really good when you're doing stuff outside. A lens pen, some additional caps and cables, and a little screwdriver. And of course, it can hold the camera and even my microphone in here. It's really, really nice. This. Nice. All right. So that does it for the main compartments. The last compartment that we have in this bag is really, really cool because you have the main zipper here, and then you have a quick access zipper. So this is where I was saying I could probably store snacks if I wanted to, but the main reason for holding this is my mobile solution. And I have a smart cover in the front here in case I don't want to use it with the keyboard, but check this out. I can put the bag on the floor. This is my 12.9-inch, 256GB iPad Pro. So if you've seen my LumaVision or my LumaFusion video on this channel, once again in the iCard up top, I have been wanting to, like I said, switch to a more mobile solution. And this is what I've decided to go with. So I have my 12.9-inch iPad here. I had to return the bridge keyboard because it was for the 9.7 and they didn't have any of the 12.9 version available. So I picked up a nice little temporary one here. I believe it's from a company called Raymar. It's actually still really, really nice, but it's just not color matched, which is something that bugs me a little bit. As well as it is a little plasticky on the inside here. But it is really, really, really nice and fun to type on this, and it's bigger than the 9.7 because of the 12.9-inch iPad, which gives me pretty much a full-size laptop keyboard layout, which is great for scripting and stuff like that. But I really, really like this solution, and there's going to be another video going up on this channel too, where I'm going to talk about an experiment that I plan on running in the very, very near future. But yeah, that pretty much does it for my what's in my travel bag. I may update my backpack in the future to something a little bit more stylish. That way I look like I'm not getting out of college, but it's actually really, really cool. I'll actually leave links to all of this stuff that I can find in the description for you down below if you want to pick some of the stuff up for yourself. But before we close out, I actually have something that I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm actually going to be doing my first giveaway ever on the channel. I'm actually going to be giving away my Zowie EC2B, which is the most popular review that has gone up on this channel for a mouse. And I want to go ahead and run a giveaway for you guys. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers, and I owe that thanks to all of you guys, and I really do appreciate it. So I wanted to give back. So I'm going to be giving it away. I have it back here, so kind of little spoiler alert for you guys. And I'm going to be giving it away to you guys. So the way that you can enter this giveaway is, of course, 1, be subscribed to this channel, and 2, follow me on Twitter, because that's where I'm going to be announcing the winner. As long as you beat both of those 2 requirements, you guys are going to be in the running, and I will announce the winner once this channel reaches 1,000 subscribers. That's going to go ahead and do it for this video, guys, so thank you once again for watching. As always, if you liked it, make sure to show it by hitting that like button down below. It really helps me out. As well as if you are new to the channel and you like the content, feel free to subscribe. You can ask me any questions you want in the comment section down below or on Twitter at Screenbite once again. But until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.